and welcome to the second episode of HelmCam. Tonight we are again going to the lake. Again, yeah. Let's get to it.
Tonight, I almost crashed. There's a bee in my helmet. And we have a chill ride.
Hey guys, welcome back. This video, well, is not as exciting as the previous ones, but I think we should just make it chill. Here you can see as I almost crashed. I just pressed down the rear brake a little too hard, but nothing really happened. So, since nothing really interesting happened, like in the previous one where my plate fell off and stuff, I think I'm just gonna probably talk about maybe something. We'll see. First thing I would like to bring up, I have experimented with having a microphone in my helmet, but well, I didn't have it for this video, or I tried, but it just sounds terrible. So the sound you heard on the start was actually from the camera and not from the microphone, since I'm just still trying to figure out how to really make it work. Here in a minute, I turn here left, as always, going to the lake. You see me do this many times. But when I went through here, I saw a camper, and I was like, what is this? Because why would you camp here? There's really nothing interesting. But when I got closer, I seen that it's a beehive. Beehive? What the fuck? Today I don't want to do anything crazy. I just wanted to have a chill ride, so I also almost ate shit there, so you know, I just want to chill. The lake is looking beautiful this time of year. I really like it here. Yeah, I mean, I never showed the whole lake, so this is how it looks like. Pretty, I know. But it's kind of dirty here. Oh yeah, and I should also take a photo for the thumbnail here, so. Right, we have the photo for today's episode. I had to repeat the same photo for the last two because, well, I forgot to take one on the second round. But at least I'll have some cool photos, finally. I usually don't take photos on my bike. But look at it, but don't take photos. Are we still recording? Good. Right, let's do one more lap. It'll be fun. This is a beehive. It's a no beehive. If I could, I would have avoided this beehive, but there was, well, no other way. So, I'm not allergic, but it doesn't feel comfortable having a bee in my helmet. Ooh, I got a bee in my helmet. Oh, fuck. Oh, that was scary. I'm not allergic or anything, but still, I don't want to swallow it. Right now where I'm just riding, I was not talking about anything, but it will be quite boring to just skip over this part. So I decided to tell you what my whole goal for this channel is. Well, my goal is to ride at Rally Dakar one day. And it's not gonna be easy, but I need at least some clout to, you know, to have at least some audience so that I can make it there for ever in my life. So that's why I started this small channel. And if it works, in a few years I could have a little more subscribers, a little more attention, and if everything works out, I could race at Rally Dakar. But it's still very far away and still is many thousands and thousands of kilometers and hours away. At this point I have decided I should try at least some practice on the turns. Always, this turn is my favorite. I've talked about it in the last video, so that is not that important, at least not right now. But I've also tried the elephant turn, and for some reason I can't lose traction in the real wheel. I'm going to show you that. Here you can see my first fragile attempt at an elephant turn. As you can see, it didn't go well at all. And I don't know why, because some people are able to do it no problem, like ever. But I just need to learn. But that's great, because that's what riding motorcycle is all about. And that's why I made myself a training plan, which you're gonna see in the next HelmCam video, which is already in the making too. So hopefully next time you are gonna see me do a successful elephant turn and also many more things. One more thing which happens differently today is that I don't say goodbye on the usual spot, but actually right here, because I was running very low on battery, so I had to cut it short.
Right. Well, I think that's enough riding for today. Fuck yeah, hell, I can find it.
Yeah, it's hot again.
Yeah, I think it's enough riding for today. I'm feeling a little tired since I've already rode here. And I think I will probably...
Right a second, my camera battery died. So let's just say is I think I'm gonna end the video here. Love you all and peace.